Hey everyone, are you struggling to get access to a Facebook page in Ads Manager? Don't worry. In this video, we'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step process so you can request a page quickly and safely. Let's get started. Navigate to Business Settings. Open your Meta Business Suite and look for the Settings icon. It looks like a gear. This is where you manage all your business assets, so make sure you are in the right place. Next, go to Pages. On the left-hand menu, under Accounts, select Pages. This section shows all the pages linked to your business, making it easy to request access to new ones. Start the request by clicking the plus Add drop-down button and choose Request Shared Access to a Facebook Page. This is the key step that allows you to ask permission from a page owner. Enter the page details. Type the exact name or paste the URL of the Facebook page you want access to. Then click Next. Accuracy here is important to ensure your request reaches the right page. Select the permissions you need. Do you need full control or just partial access? For running ads, make sure to select the specific tasks like Manage Ads. Remember, the level of access you request will determine what you can do once it's approved. Confirm your request. Click Confirm to send the request directly to the page administrator. They will get notified and can review your access request. Now wait for approval. The request will appear in the page owner's business portfolio. Once it's approved, the page will show up in your business portfolio, and you'll be ready to start managing ads, creating campaigns, and analyzing performance. Remember, requesting access doesn't give you immediate control. Patience is key. Always double-check the permissions you selected to avoid confusion later. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to request a Facebook page to Ads Manager. Now you can manage ads with confidence and take full advantage of your business tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Are you ready to take control of your Facebook ads campaigns today?